Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today, we're learning how to convert a decimal number to octal, step by step. So let's get started. First, what is octal number system? The octal number system is base 8, which means it uses digits 0 to 7, while decimal is base 10, using digits 0 to 9. So how do we convert decimal to octal? Okay, so let's have an example on how to convert decimal to octal. Our example here is we convert 156 to the base 10 to octal. Okay, we're going to write 3 columns, which is the division step, quotient, and remainder. And this is the step number 1. To divide 156 by 8. So, again, we divide 156 divided by 8. Then 15 divided by 8 is 1. 1 times 8 is 8. Then 15 minus 8 is 7. Then we bring down 6. So, we have now 76. Then 76 divided by 8 equals 9. Then 9 times 8 equals 72. So 76 minus 72 equals 4. Therefore, our quotient is 19 and the remainder is 4. Okay, we have the next step. We divide 19, which is the quotient, by 8. So we divide 19 divided by 8. We have 19 divided by 8 is 2. So 2 times 8 equals 16. Then 19 minus 16, the answer is 3. Therefore, now our quotient is 2 and our remainder is 3. Okay, our next step is to divide 2 by 8. 2 divided by 8, the quotient is 0 and the remainder is 2. So, remainder 2 means 2 is left over, the part that couldn't be divided. Again, remainder is 2 because nothing could be divided. Okay, remember, continue dividing until the quotient becomes 0. And then the next step is to write down the remainders in reverse order to get the octal representation. So we start from 2, 3, 4. So 156 to the base 10 in octal is 234 to the base 8. Okay, so that's all for now and thank you for watching. So please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Thank you.